So here is how we can search on Pinterest using the iPad. So first of all, we want to make sure we have the Pinterest app downloaded like this, and we get inside and we are of course signed in and everything is in here. So in order to actually search for it, you can find the little search button in the bottom portion of the display right in the middle. So as you can see, I have some pictures, whatever, and in here below I can see the little search icon which I can tap on. Now we switch over to the search mode and you can see some things which you might like, whatever, but here is the search field, so I can type something specific in here, for example beach, right? I can look that up and you can see that these are the images which match my search phrase, but I can also add a little bit more to it. So for example, I can add the, I don't know, beach photos, right? And then that's what gets added to it. Or I don't know, I get like beach photos inspiration, right? And I get some additional information or some photos in here. So that's how we can perform the searches, and then that's how it works. Keep in mind that there is also the filtering option in the top right corner, which you can click on and then decide if you only want to show the videos, boards, profiles, or all pins, and that's how you can also filter it. So let's say that I only select the videos and apply it, and now only videos are going to be shown to me. So that's how it works. That's how we can search on Pinterest. Keep in mind that you can also skip this process and use a shortcut. So whenever you swipe down on the home screen and type in Pinterest, you don't even have to get inside of the app. As you can see, there is a little search shortcut right next to the icon, so you can tap it like this and go directly to the search page. So let me know what you think below in the comments. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up if it did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.